Alright, I'm going to see if I can figure out how to do this right. I bought this little kit here, universal clamp kit, to go on a CV joint. I pulled the CV joint, or the axle out, and the inner. Let's see. Let's take it over here. I'll show you really quick. On a 2014 Fiat 500, and I pulled this axle out, and this boot had come off of the cup here, and so I've got to put a new strap on here. I've got the grease back in there, and I got it all ready to go. This is kind of my second try. My first try here. I'll get my camera right. Had a little bit of trouble with. You can see I crimped it and kind of made a mess of it. Ended up pulling out the little pin that's here. It kind of holds the whole thing together. So it really didn't have any integrity. So I kind of had to take it apart. Luckily, these things are only about $2.99, $3. They're not very much. So I'm just going to do one really quick here as a demonstration and kind of try it out for myself, make sure I know what I'm doing. Alright, so got some needle nose pliers and a screwdriver here, and this is just an old vacuum attachment. So the idea here is that you're following the instructions on the back here. It took me a second to kind of read through them and match up what I was seeing. Little tabs here are these tabs. Little pivot thing. It's kind of a triangle shape here, and you just got to make sure I had it facing the other way, and I couldn't make any heads or tails of it until I turned it around. So we're going to start with I don't want that over yet. This right here, and then this is the tab. I want it to go in there. So we're like that. Put it on there. This needle nose. Pull it tight. And then I think the mistake I made before was I really pulled it way too hard, because I think part of it gets sucked up when you fold it over. So you kind of do it over like, it's hard. You get it over about like that, and stick a screwdriver. Ow, son of a gun. Stick a screwdriver in there. You can see it's folding it over now, and yeah, that's working much better. The other one I got to this point and it was completely stretched out, so you can see this one still has a little bit of space in there. Push that down. Trying to fold these tabs over to keep the wire in place. So that's not too bad. This is on a rigid piece of plastic, and it seems pretty tough right there. I think on the rubber boot, which will have a little bit more give, it should hold it in place. I think that's going to work though.